Let her go, Anakin. Let her go. Let her go, let her go. Please stop force choking your secret wife. Let her go, Anakin. Let her go. When you think about it, lightsabers are kind of like plasma knives. Here I stand in the glow of the lava. Let the smoke billow up. The heat is really great for growing Yavanian guava. Do 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 do, do 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 do. It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small. From mind tricking dead stick dealers to slicing right through Darth Maul. That whole Find Camino sub-story from episode 2 basically is the whole plot to TFA Deja Vu. They even recycled the incomplete hollow map scenes. See what I mean? Let her go, let her go. Be one with the wars and stars. Let her go, Anakin, let her go. I really am a fan of Disney Pixar's Cars. I know everyone says that franchise is a vehicle for selling toys, but so is ours. Lightning McQueen, let's go and make some noise. Ka-chow!